Mom, where are Grandpa and Grandma?
They live in the old house.
Why don't they live with us?
It's a long story.
I want to know. Scraps likes to know. Okay, we will tell you. Are they okay?
They are, but they are lonely.
Lonely? Why? Because they live alone.
Don't they have friends?
Not many now.
That is sad.
Yes, very sad.
Can we visit them? Gerald, they got sure.
Of course.
I miss them.
They miss you too.
Let's go today.
Okay, let's go.
Oh. You are here!
Grandma! Grandpa!
My dear kids.
How are you, Mom?
We are okay.
You look tired. We don't sleep well.
Why not? That we won't.
We feel lonely at night.
That makes me sad.
It's okay, my boy.
Do you eat well? Sometimes.
You must take care. We try.
Why don't you live with us?
We don't want to bother you.
You are not a bother.
You are kind.
You are our family.
We know.
Then why stay here?
This house has memories.
What memories? Our young days.
Tell us.
Okay?
Oh, Mom. Okay.
Not drunk. We met many years ago.
He was very shy.
Really? Yes.
And Grandma?
I was very happy.
You loved each other a lot.
Look at that, Irma.
Yes, very much.
We worked hard every day to build this home.
This house?
Yes, with our hands.
That is amazing. Oh,
That is a thank you. Thank you. You raised your children here.
Yes, including your father.
I remember my childhood.
It was a happy time.
What happened now?
Time passed.
And people got busy?
Yes.
Life became different.
Very different.
Do you feel sad?
Sometimes.
I don't like that. Not just so hot.
It's part of life. It's part of life.
You should not be alone.
We are used to it.
But you feel lonely. Yes.
We are sorry. It's okay.
We should visit more. Here.
That would be nice.
I will come every week.
Really?
Me too.
Me too. That makes us happy.
We can call every day.
I would love that.
You are not alone anymore. Thank you.
We love you.
We love you too.
Big hug. Come here.
Can we clean the house?
Oh, thank you.
I will sweep the floor.
Good boy.
I will cook dinner. Let me help.
I will fix the door. Thank you.
The house looks better.
Yes, brighter.
I feel happy here.
So do we.
Family time is important. Very important.
We forgot that. It happens.
We promise. Thank you.
Thank you.
This food is delicious.
Thank you.
Best dinner ever.
We should eat together more.
Yes.
Like old times. Exactly.
more stories.
Okay.
We danced a lot.
Nephew dosa.
Wow.
And we laughed every day.
So sweet.
Love is beautiful.
Ah, yes, beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Family is everything.
Always.
I understand now.
I'm glad.
I don't want to leave.
You can stay longer.
Can we sleep here?
Maybe next time.
We will wait for you. We will come back soon.
Don't worry anymore. Thank you.
We will care more. That means a lot.
No more lonely nights.
I hope so.
We are always with you.
In our hearts.
And in real life, too. Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's take a photo.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Smile.
Smile.
This is a happy day. Yes. Not sad anymore.
We learned something.
Love your family.
Oh, very true.
Very.
Very true. Spend time together. Yes.
Don't forget your parents.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They need love too. We do.
We will remember.
Good.
Always.
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 Family is forever.
Forever. Forever. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, dear.
See you soon. Ah! We will wait.
Take care.
You too.
You too.
Call us anytime. We will.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.
This is not the end.
No, It's a new start.
A better start, yes.
Whatever we part or basti per trans about. Now, we sparar fra.
Yes.
No more sadness. Only love. Only love.
Family forever.